In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance photo quality in Photoshop with a full guide that's both comprehensive and easy to follow. Whether you're a professional looking to polish your work or a beginner trying to make your images stand out, these steps will help you transform your photos with ease and confidence. Let's dive in. First, start by opening up Adobe Photoshop on your computer. If you haven't already installed Photoshop, you'll want to do that beforehand. Once you have it open, you'll see the workspace ready to welcome your creativity. Now, to begin editing an image, you need to load it into Photoshop. Click on File in the top menu, then select Open from the drop-down list and choose the image you'd like to enhance from your computer files. It will appear on your Photoshop workspace ready for some magic. With your image now at the forefront, you want to think about the enhancements you'd like to make. A great way to start is by adding a filter. Go to the top of your screen and click on Filter in the menu bar. You'll find a variety of filter effects that Photoshop offers, representing different ways you can add vibrancy, clarity, or stylistic changes to your picture. Experiment with these options to see which effects best bring out the desired look for your image. If you need specific guidance on using filters, Photoshop has helpful tips and previews within each filter option that can guide your decision. Once you've chosen a filter, take some time to adjust the settings based on your personal preferences. Adjustments can include tweaking the intensity, angle, and other parameters depending on the type of filter you've applied. This step is crucial because it gives you control over fine-tuning the effect. Remember not to rush this process. It's about finding the balance that suits your vision while maintaining the natural essence of the image. After you've crafted your picture just the way you want it, the next step is saving your work. It's important to save your enhanced file not only in a format that preserves quality, like a TIFF, but also in a versatile format such as JPEG or PNG for easier sharing. To do this, head over to the File menu again and select Save As. Choose your preferred file format and location on your computer. Now, not only is your image enhanced, but it's also ready to be showcased or shared. Thanks for tuning in to this guide. By following these steps, enhancing the quality of your photos in Photoshop can be a smooth and rewarding experience. Whether you're sharing your work professionally or with friends and family, these enhancements you'll learn and apply will surely make your photos pop. Happy editing!